Hello everyone, my name is Vladimir, and today I'll show you how to write thank you emails for retail businesses using ChatGPT. And we're going to start right now. Now, before we begin, it is important to understand the value of customer appreciation. You see, when someone places an order either online or at your store, it is a sign of trust in your company. So when you take the time to send a thank you email, not only does it show that you appreciate their business, but you are also creating a positive, long-lasting impression in their minds, which in the future, it is likely that they will come back and purchase from you. So now that we know why we're doing this, let's begin. And as you can see, we're not going to start using ChatGPT right away. And that is because we need to figure out the two main ingredients to get the best output, and that is context and purpose. So to figure out the context, we need to answer the following questions. And the first question is the only one that I cannot help you with. That's because it is the name of your business. So write that down. For this example, I made up a company called Megabike, and it's a bicycle shop. So question number 2 is, in a short sentence, describe your business. For this example, make sure that you include the location, that means city and state. Do you sell local, national, or international? And do you sell items that are in stock or are they made to order? Okay, so for this example, we're a bicycle shop in Santa Monica, California that mainly sells to local customers. All of our sales are from our in-stock inventory. So that's question number 2. Question number 3, for how long have you been in business? Are you a new company? Are you an established company? Let's give that information to ChatGPT. So for this example, I put 50 years. Then question number 4 is probably the most difficult one that you really need to stop and think about it. Because if you say, oh, we have the best prices, we have the widest selection, we have the best customer service, we have the top brands, etc., then you become like everyone else. And you need to differentiate yourself from everyone else. So when someone thinks about your company, what comes up? What do you want to be known for? So for this example is the top brands and the newest models. So when they think about Megabike, oh, that new model that just came out, most likely they have it. That kind of thinking. Question number 5 is the price point. So for this example, I put high-end. And for you, it could be budget, could be middle of the road. What's the price point that you want to focus on? And 6, what are the intangible strengths? So that has to do with your staff, with your employees. So for this example, every staff member is a seasoned bicycle rider that competes in road cycling and mountain bike racing, and is very knowledgeable about the best parts to customize your bike, as well as up-to-date and new product releases. So these are bicycle junkies. They know their products, they use them, and that's a strength. So we put everything together into one paragraph. For this example, here is the example. The name of my business is Megabike Co. We're a bicycle shop located in Santa Monica, California, and we sell to local customers. All of our sales are from our in-stock inventory. We have been in business for 50 years and we focus on top brands and we carry the newest models. We are considered a high-end store and every staff member is a seasoned bicycle rider that competes in road cycling and mountain bike racing and is very knowledgeable about the best parts to customize your bike, as well as up to date on new product releases. So I hope you can see that now that we have the context, it really resonates with your company because you answered all of those questions. So when you provide this to ChatGPT, the output is not generic. It's based on this context, based on your company. So what we do now is to figure out the purpose, and that is the command prompt. And what do you want your customers to know after they have made their purchase? So we need to include that in the thank you email. So another way of thinking about it is, what might your customers be wondering about after they have made a purchase? So if you don't know, or you want ChatGPT to help you with that, what we do is we copy our context and let's go to ChatGPT, and I have it here actually already. So we paste it and we give them the command prompt, make a list of 10 things a customer might be wondering after they have made a purchase from us. Okay, so let's click on enter. Okay, so warranty. What's the warranty? Let's see. How to use the bike's features and functions. Your staff is knowledgeable. They can answer that. How to access customer support. Maybe not, but return policy, probably the warranty. Yeah, the warranty is number 2. So from this list, that gives you an idea of what your customer might be wondering about after they have made a purchase. So now that we have context, let's create the prompt, which is very easy. Make a thank you email. Let's put it in quotes. And include how easy it is to contact us with questions about your bicycle, maintenance, and the warranty, and that all our products come with a warranty. Make this email not too long, and we're gonna leave it open-ended because sometimes with ChatGPT it gets very long-winded, so we're just gonna say just make sure it's not too long. So we press enter. Let's see. We would like to take a moment to express our sincere gratitude to choosing Megabyte Co. for your recent bike purchase. We're thrilled that you have put your trust in us, and we're confident that the bike you have chosen will provide you with a great riding experience for years to come. Oh, see, it's long-winded. It's a little too long. Okay, so let's make it just a little bit shorter. So we're going to say improve this email by making it a little shorter. We appreciate your trust and us, confidence in the bike. Our team, knowledgeable staff is always available to help. Okay, so here is a simple thank you email for your customers. Now we can finesse it. We can change the tone of voice. So for example, this is Santa Monica. It's a little more hippie, more relaxed. So we can say, improve this email by using a hippie tone of voice. Okay, it's thinking about it. Okay, here we go. Groovy vibes, and thank you for choosing Megabike. Hey there. We are stoked that you have chosen Megabike. So as you're gonna see, the whole tone of voice changes completely from, professional to now like a hippie. Okay. Anytime, man. And we're happy to assist you. So think about who your customers are. Are they young? Are they conservative? Are they Gen Y or Z? So you can write this email to better match your brand. So once this is done typing, we'll do a Gen Z and you will see the difference. Okay, peace and love. Of course, you have to say peace and love. Okay, so improve this email by using Generation Y tone of voice. You're awesome. Shout out. Stoked. Interesting that it's writing it faster for a Gen Y. There you go. So again, who are your customers? So you can write this email for them. And that's it. That's how you write a thank you email for a retail business. I'm going to do a part 2 with another example. If you have any questions, type them in the comments and I will answer them. I might make a video answering them. So there you go. If you like this video, please click on like. If you want to get more videos about this subject, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.